Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of the Opening Disasters series. Today I will be showing you one of my own casual games, and let's get to the business. I was white and played e4, d5, e takes, queen takes, knight c3. So we have a Scandinavian defense, and my opponent he played queen e5 check. I don't like this move. Long time ago I read in one book that even though this move gives a check, white will just block with developing the piece, either with the bishop or with the knight, it doesn't matter, and then later he will gain a tempo here by kicking that queen out. A good move in that position would be queen a5, or the old move queen d8, or the new move, not this one, but queen d6. This is the favorite move of Vishwanathan Anand. So it must be good if the former world champion is playing it. But my opponent played queen e5 and I just blocked with the knight. He decided to pin my knight with bishop g4 and I played d4, attacking his queen as mentioned. The queen went back while he is trying to maintain this pin, but at the same time he's blocking this pawn, and with it he's blocking the bishop. So that's not good. Maybe better was to go queen a5 now. It was still not too late, even though it was best to go there at the first opportunity. But okay, queen e6. I attacked his bishop. I wanted to see what is he going to do with it. He went here. Now I develop this guy with attacking the c7 pawn. And the normal move here would be something like c6, escaping with the pawn from the attack and covering some squares here and here. But he didn't do that. He decided to defend this guy with a queen, which is not so great because now this queen is lined up with this bishop, and after a simple move like knight g3, all of a sudden I'm threatening to capture the queen, and at the same time the knight is attacked. So the queen went back with a check to defend the bishop and escape. But now I block with the bishop, and look at this. White has 4 pieces in the game, and black has only 2. And one of those pieces is under pressure of this knight. So he decided to move that piece away in order not to be hanging later, so the queen can gain some freedom. And I could take the pawn here, but I didn't want to. I just wanted to have a good development and see what I'm going to do later. Maybe here he could go c6, but I'm not sure if this would help him, because I can go rook e1, bishop g4, or even d5. And there is so many pleasant moves for white. But my opponent, he played knight c6. And this is of course a blunder. It blunders the pawn fork. But I looked at this before I played it, and I saw that he can move the queen and attack my bishop. But I figured out that I will take his knight, and when he recaptures, I can take on b7 and attack his rook and open this diagonal at the same time. And that will actually end the game. So after queen f6, I took, he took, and after pawn takes pawn, the rook is hanging, and there is a threat of bishop b5, as I mentioned. So that was the end of the game. There is one more move was played, and then black resigned, but he cannot do much. If he, for example, plays here, then after this check, he can just interpose some pieces, but I will just collect and the game is over. That was it for this episode of Opening Disasters, and see you soon.